Hello everybody and welcome. Hope you're all well. Today we're going to be looking at something that we use every day on a day-to-day basis. Well, most of us, remote controls. Okay, the infrared remote control. We got them for our TVs, our smart TV boxes, washing machines, air conditioning. Okay, we're going to be looking at remote controls. Okay, and this is the one we're going to be using. Comes with came with my kit. Okay, my kit. If you haven't got your kits or your modules, I have got a couple of links down below for you to have a look at if you need to get any of this equipment. So here we have the remote. Okay, now here's a little plastic sheet. This is where the battery is already installed and it doesn't want to wear the battery. What we need to do is we need to take that out. Okay, so there's our remote. Okay, and here is our receiver. All right, it's got 3 pins. Okay, 3 pins, and there's a long pin in the middle. Okay, we also need a 10k ohm resistor. All right, but first of all, what I want to do, I just want to show you that we got the buttons, and as you can see, when we press a button, a signal or a key value gets sent to the receiver. I'm not going to go through all these. I'm not going to go through them all. This is just to give you an idea of the buttons and what they do. So, shall we build the circuit? Okay. What I need to do, just move this out of the way, just a little bit. And there we go. Okay. So, first thing we need is what we'll do. We'll put the receiver in. Okay, we'll put the receiver in, and as you can see, it's got 2 sides. It's got a flat side and side with like a cross on. We need that to face towards us. Okay, towards us, just like that. All right, I've got 3 in a row, and the middle leg is the ground. Okay, the middle leg is the ground. So we'll take the middle leg and we'll take it to ground, which on my board is the red row. So yeah, the red row. All right, and now we want, the way this is set up, you can see that we got our 3.3 volts. Okay, and it goes to its own row. All right, it goes to its own row. All right, and then we want another red, so it goes from that row, all right, to our right leg. All right, goes to our right leg. Can you see that? Then we want our 220 ohm resistor, goes from that live row to the right leg on the IR. All right, can you see that, how that goes? If you look at the drawing, here, okay, the way it goes across. Okay, and then we need a blue, goes from the left leg of our IR receiver, okay, and it goes to pin 15, GPIO 15 on our ESP32. All right, goes to pin 15. So if we come down, we now need to load a library. Okay, we need to load the library. So the library is capital I, capital R, small remote ESP8266 by David Conran. All right, by David Conran. We need to install that library. Okay. Once you've installed that, remember that's how we open the library. I'll just show you again. All right. We can close that library. Remember, file, new sketch. Okay, make sure we're connected to our board. Okay, and then we can start the configuration. Let's move down a little bit. Let's go to here. So, some libraries we need to do. So, okay, some variables we need to do. So, remember it's hashtag include. All right, and it's less than Arduino, okay, .h, and it's greater than. Okay, so that's our first library. Hashtag include space less than, and this is where we want our IR, capital IR, remote. Okay, IR remote. ESP capitals, and it's 8266 .h. Although it's the 8266, it does work with the ESP32. Okay, hashtag include less than, and it's IR capitals RECV for receive. All right, .h, and it's greater than, and it's hashtag include space less than, and it's IR utils, capital IR U T I L S .h, and it's greater than. Okay, all right, so that's what we got so far. Enter. Now next we have to give the IR, tell them where the IR pin is. So CONST UNIT, okay, 6 underscore T. All right, so and then it's RECV, receive pin. Okay, receive pin, and that equals 15 semicolon. All right, so that's our infrared receiving pin. IR RECV space, and it's small IR RECV, okay, brackets on, and we want that as our RECV capital PIN, okay, and come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. All right, and we need our decode underscore results space results. Okay, semicolon. All right, so we've this one here, we've created the class object used to as a receive class, and this decode underscore results. All right, results is create a decoding results class object. Okay, good. Let's go on to our void setup then. Things we want to happen only once. Just checking that. RECV capital PIN, yeah. Okay, void setup. First of all, we want our serial.begin. Brackets on, and it's 15200. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. And then we want our IRR ECV. Okay, dot. All right. Enable IR in. Enable. Capital I. Capital R. Capital I in. Okay. Start the receiver. All right. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the bracket, semicolon, enter. Now we haven't used a while loop for a while. Wait for the serial connection to be established. While. Brackets on. Exclamation mark. Serial, capital S on the serial. All right. Come outside the brackets. No, a semicolon. Okay. Enter. Okay. And then we want a little tab. Delay. And 50 milliseconds. Come outside the brackets. Semicolon. Okay. Enter. And backspace. And then we want serial.print line. Remember, it's ln for line. Okay, serial.print. Why have I put an F? Line. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Serial print. Sorry, dot print. Okay. Brackets on. What's going on here? Let's come down a bit. Yeah. Brackets on. Quotes. Anything inside the quotes gets printed. Okay, in the serial monitor. So IR capitals. RECV. Demo. DEMO. Capital D on the. Oh. What's going on here? Demo. Okay. Is now running. All right. And waiting for capital IR message on pin. Okay, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Okay, serial.print. Okay, serial.print line, brackets on. Okay, RECV pin. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, print the infrared receiving pin. Okay. Okay, good, good, good. Right, and that's our setup done. Things that we want to happen only once. Now our loop. Okay, things we want to happen repeatedly. Taking that up a bit just to give us a bit of a see what we're doing. Oh, and our first one is an if command. Brackets on. I R R E C V, all small case. Dot decode. Okay. Decode. Brackets on. And results. Okay. Come outside the brackets, come outside the brackets. Remembering no semicolon after an if. And it's curly brackets on, enter. Okay, curly brackets on, enter. Serial. This time, no capital S, capital pre on the print. And capital U, I, N, T. Let me just see what that, I think that's 64. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Yep, 64. Okay. Brackets on. Results. Dot value. Comma. Space X. In capitals. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. Okay, print out the decoded results. Okay, and that's an enter. And then it's a serial dot print line. Remember LN for line. Brackets on. Quotes. Come outside the quotes. Come outside the brackets. Semicolon. Enter. Okay. And then IRR. ECV. Dot resume. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. All right. Come outside the curly brackets. All right. From the if. And then we want a delay of 1 second. So 1000 milliseconds. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. Okay. Get rid of some of these spaces. Okay. Go through. I'm just making sure. Serial print line. Where's that? I've got my semicolon, but just checking that. Let's put a semicolon there. Okay, semicolons. And there we go. Okay. Let's upload it and see what happens. We're compiling the sketch. We are compiling the sketch. And I know where there's an issue. Already seen it. It's 115. Okay, let's upload it again. Could have an issue. No, we're moving. Yeah, I thought we'd have an issue. Let's have a look at this. Const. where are we? CONSTUNIT. Ah, right. That's 16 _ receive pin. Okay, IR receive, IIR ECV receive pin. Okay, let's try again. Hopefully it won't take so long. Hopefully it won't take so long. Okay, so it's unit 1. UINT. Okay. UINT. So we'll probably get that come up. UINT. UINT 16 _ receive RECV capital PIN. Just wait for this. We will get this going, guys. We will get this going. So this is taking its time today, isn't it? Definitely taking its time. Okay. Try again. We've already changed that. Well, it seems to get stuck about there. We might be in luck. We might be in luck. And yes, we're in luck. Okay, we're downloading. We're downloading. We're downloading. Come on. That's it. We're downloading. We are downloading. And there we go. Let's start our serial monitor. Okay, let me press the reset. Okay. It's now running and waiting for IR pins. So I'm going to put in number 1. Okay. Now let's go back to our list. 30 CF. Let me just go back. Number 1, 30 CF. Okay, 30 CF. All right, go back to here. Let's press number 2. E7, you can go back to that list if you want to check. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. And there you go, guys. There you go. Our infrared is going. Our infrared is going. Okay. What we'll do next, we're going to carry on and extend on that, the IR remote, and we're going to control a few components with it. All right. So hopefully see you in the next video. Please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and please comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.